I choose option 2, which is home Wi-Fi setup explained. Good day everyone. I am Vince Albaran from Base IT 2A, and today I will presenting a clear and simple explanation of how physical home Wi-Fi setup works. In this discussion, I will cover four main areas: how a Wi-Fi router works, important Wi-Fi settings, common Wi-Fi issues, and a basic home network diagram. Number 1. How a home Wi-Fi router works. Our home internet service is provided by companies such as PLDT. The internet connection first enters the house through a modem. This modem is then connected to Wi-Fi router. The router converts the internet signal into a wireless signal, which allow our devices such as smartphones, laptop, and smart TVs to connect to the internet without cables. In these simple terms: number 1, the modem receives the internet. Number 2, the router distributes the internet wirelessly. Number 3, our devices communicate with the router to access online services. Number 2, important Wi-Fi settings. SSID. The SSID refers to the Wi-Fi network name. This is the name you see when searching for available networks. For example, Albaran Wi-Fi 5G. Number 2, password. The Wi-Fi password prevents unauthorized users from connecting to your network. A strong password helps protect your internet connection and keeps your data secure. Number 3, encryption. Encryption is the security system used by routers to protect your wireless network. WPA2 is a commonly used and secured. WPA3 is the latest and provide stronger protection. The frequency bands. Router typically broadcast on two frequency bands: 2.4 GHz wider coverage by slower speeds. The 5G faster speeds but shorter range. Number 3, common Wi-Fi issues. A weak signal occurs when the device is far from the router, blocked by thick walls, or located on the another floor. Number 3, interference caused by microwaves, Bluetooth devices, or neighboring Wi-Fi networks. C, too many connected devices. When many devices share the connection, the internet becomes slower. And lastly, number 4, simple home network diagram. Number 1, internet provider. Number 2, modem. Number 3, Wi-Fi router. Number 4, connected devices. Example, phones, laptops, and smart TV. Lastly, this concludes my presentation about Wi-Fi setup. Thank you for your time and attention.